Hey, what's up, Internet? So I got this respirator. I'm going to do a review. But before I start the review, I want to acknowledge that there's spreading fires in Southern California, and they're destroying homes and lives, and it's tough. There are some outlets you can choose to support those affected, and I'm probably going to choose the Red Cross, but I've got a link in the description below on where you can get more information about that if you want to help out. So I got this respirator I bought off Amazon with my own money, no sponsor here, and it's been working pretty good for me, and I want to share my experience with you to, try to help you. I'm going to tell you how I got it, pros and cons, my experience with it over the last few months. Let's do this. Okay, so the air quality in some parts of the world is bad. It's really, really bad, and that is the reason I bought this respirator. It's probably great for like construction and painting stuff, but that's not why I bought this. I bought it because the fine particulate matter in the air where I'm currently living due to pollution. Here in South Korea, there are many days where the AQI, the air quality index, is over 150. Like you can taste this nastiness in the air. It's gross. So I got it off Amazon for about $35. It looks like it's around 20 right now with Prime. And on the same sale, you can buy one unit for $130. I wouldn't spend that. I don't think it's worth that much. But let's do some pros and cons. Pro, the filter rating is great. A link below for more information on what that number means. It's P100. Pro, the filter elements are replaceable. That's good. And I've actually replaced them already. And it's pretty easy to do. And it's fairly inexpensive as well. Hashtag, what's your lungs worth? Sounds like someone's last name. Hello, Mr. What's your lungs worth? Con, the straps do not work the best. They hold just fine when it's on your face, but sometimes they'll fall out of the holes when it's not on your face. It'll just come undone. Pro, it's easy to put on. Yeah. And it's fairly comfortable, all things considered. Con, if you are riding a motorcycle or a bike or a scooter with the mask on, the straps, the slack that's there, gets caught in the wind and it just slaps you in the face. It's kind of funny, but it's also really annoying. Link below for more information on that. Pro, the seal it makes on your face is good, and it's comfortable, and I like it. If you have glasses on, you're not going to be fogging them up because it's got this little pro, the one-way valves. They work great, and that's good. Con, if you're breathing pretty heavy and you're puckering your lips some, the intake valves, on the inside, behind the filters, they'll start to tickle your face. So it feels kind of weird. It doesn't happen all the time, but it sometimes throws me off, I'm like, whoa, what is that? Con, the gray things that go over the filters, it seems like it'll break fairly easily. So far, they've not broken on me, but I'll call it a con just because it looks weak. Okay, that's it. You survived the PC list. Wow. Is it good or is it bad? You decide after I decide. I say that it's good. I've had it for several months and I've worn it outside when the air quality is bad or really bad. And I'm pretty happy with the results of the mask. I'm not happy with the fact that we buy liquid and then explode it and then put it in the air that we breathe. But that's a different story. Hashtag what's your lungs worth? Right, Mr. What's your lungs worth? Okay, the main test tool I have for this mask is my face. I have no other test equipment, so I can't do a particulate count, okay? Yeah, but when I'm outside and the air is super nasty and I put this on, the air, it changes drastically and breathing is much smoother and the air feels super clean. It does cause some resistance on your breathing, but it's not that bad. Perhaps it simulates some sort of increase in altitude. And as for exercise, I have gone on a few runs with it and it does get a little sweaty, but it still works well overall. So yeah, it's good for the runs. I think there was a warning on the paperwork, something regarding exercise and to be careful because of low oxygen supply, so don't do this in low oxygen places. Yeah? All right, if you need a respirator, I think you should consider this one. It's pretty decent. For my use case, it seems highly effective. All right, well, I hope that helped. See you later, Internet.